Pure Pressure and Detailing uses this 200-gallon power washers in combination with the DJI drones. If you're just here for the cool drone footage, I don't blame you. Stick around to the end. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Otis Warren. I'm a supervisor for General Motors turned full-time entrepreneur. That being said, let's dive into today's video. I named my business Pure Pressure and Detailing. Within my company, I am working on others. For example, premium aerial and power wash services and elite exterior cleaning solutions. Here's why these names work. They highlight both services, which means you can offer multiple services and upsell during sales calls. They emphasize quality, which signals to clients that Pure Pressure and Detailing cares about their property and getting the job done right. And I incorporate the word aerial, which sets Pure Pressure and Detailing apart because not all cleaning companies have this capability. Pure Pressure and Detailing offers a unique advantage, the ability to safely inspect, quote, and document hard-to-reach areas with the drone and then clean them with our powerful washer. Not only does that give Pure Pressure and Detailing a competitive edge, but it also makes selling services much easier. Being able to visually show customers what needs to be cleaned and what the results will look like is a major when it comes to closing deals. Plus, this combo helps Pure Pressure Detailing work smarter, not harder. Let me explain. The drone lets Pure Pressure and Detailing cover more ground faster without having to waste time and money on ladders or scaffolding. And the 200-gallon power washer is so efficient that once Pure Pressure sets it up, we won't need to move it around much, saving Pure Pressure and Detailing even more time and money. Pure Pressure and Detailing easily makes clients' prices affordable compared to the traditional company's prices. Now let's talk about the service packages Pure Pressure and Detailing can offer. The first service package Pure Pressure and Detailing recommends is a bread and butter service that most cleaning companies already offer: driveway and sidewalk cleaning. Driveways, walkways, and patios are essential to any home or business. Over time, they get dirty, stained, and covered with moss or mildew. A clean set of walkways can improve curb appeal by up to 75% and increase property values. This is a great service because Pure Pressure and Detailing works with homeowners, homeowners associations, HOAs, and small businesses. Driveways and patios can be cleaned using a power washer on concrete, asphalt, and pavers. The 150-foot hose gives Pure Pressure and Detailing incredible reach from our truck without moving it constantly. If you want to upgrade, Pure Pressure and Detailing will offer to seal the driveway after cleaning. This adds additional revenue for Pure Pressure and Detailing and provides extra value to your customers. Next up, Pure Pressure and Detailing has house and fence washing. Most power washing companies offer house washing as one of their primary services. With the right chemicals and techniques, you can safely clean vinyl siding, brick, stucco, and wooden fences. Pure Pressure and Detailing also cleans apartment and other multifamily properties. Pure Pressure and Detailing uses biodegradable cleaning agents that are safe for plants and the environment. Okay, now let us talk about the service Pure Pressure and Detailing really sets apart from the competition: roof and gutter cleaning. Now, this can be a tricky service to do effectively and safely, but with Pure Pressure's drones, it's going to be a game changer. Most roofs cleaning companies charge between $8 and $13 per square based on the size of your roof. On average, roofs range between 1,500 and 3,000 square feet. That means the average cost of a roof cleaning ranges between $12,000 and $39,000. But here's the problem. How do you safely get up on the roof to inspect it in the first place? And how do you accurately estimate the size of the roof? Well, that's where Pure Pressure's drones come in. Let's start with inspection and quoting. Using Pure Pressure's drones to safely fly over the roof, take high-resolution photos and video of problem areas like clogged gutters, moss patches, and damaged shingles. Then Pure Pressure and Detailing uses Google Earth to measure the roof's dimensions. From there, Pure Pressure and Detailing calculates how much cleaning and repair work will cost. For example, let us say you inspected a roof and found that it was 2,000 square feet and had some damage around the chimney. A normal company would quote you $2,400 to clean the roof and another $200 to fix the chimney. By using PurePressure's drone for inspection and quoting, you eliminate dangerous ladder work, save time, and give accurate estimates. Using PurePressure's stunning drone footage, we capture and create epic before and after videos for social media. So there you have it. Alright, next up on the list is deck, patio, and outdoor living area restoration. PurePressure and Detailing is also in the business of restoring a deck or patio, which involves stripping old stain and sealant, deep cleaning wood and composite decks, and cleaning patio furniture. Another great feature PurePressure and Detailing offer is commercial cleaning. This includes restaurants, shopping centers, warehouses, and parking garages. PurePressure and Detailing offer services like grease removal from dumpster pads, cleaning sidewalks and entryways, restoring exterior walls and windows, and more. PurePressure's 4000 PSI washer and long hose are perfect for large, dirty commercial spaces. These are often recurring contracts. PurePressure and Detailing offers fleet and truck cleaning. PurePressure and Detailing thinks about construction companies, landscapers, plumbers, and moving companies. Offering mobile cleaning services at their place of business can be convenient and profitable. PurePressure's equipment is powerful enough to clean heavy dirt and mud from commercial vehicles. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top services PurePressure and Detailing can offer with our equipment. Enter the link below to see the pricing quotes for PurePressure and Detailing. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. See you next time.